These are the basic parts you need to build a simple magnetic door alarm.
Connect one wire from the reed switch to the buzzer input. This forms the trigger for the alarm.
Attach the 9-volt battery to complete the circuit. Positive to the buzzer, negative to the switch.
When the magnet is close, the circuit stays silent. Move it away, and the buzzer activates. Place the reed switch on the door frame so it stays still when the door moves.
Attach the magnet to the door so it lines up perfectly with the reed switch when closed.
With everything mounted, opening the door separates the magnet and triggers the alarm.
A reed switch closes when the magnet is near. When the door opens, the circuit breaks and the buzzer sounds. Use low-voltage parts and avoid touching bare terminals to prevent short circuits.
Here's the full build. Connect, mount, and test your simple magnetic door alarm.